Hey guys, welcome to the Inn at 201 Fulton Street. This place is incredible. I'm a theme park enthusiast, and so we were able to collaborate with amazing people who own this facility. And so we're gonna give you a little bit of a tour of what it looks like. And guys, it looks great. Seriously, this place is a gem. I'm blown away by this place.
A huge bonus of this stay is its proximity to the roller coaster capital of the world, Cedar Point. We definitely took advantage of this when we got tired and we just needed to take a rest.
From the instant that you walk in, you are wowed. So today we're gonna find ourselves in room number 7, but also room number 6. Something that really stood out to me, that blew me away, was just the games that they have. You know, anytime I see games at a place, it just speaks family, but also good memories. And this just seems like a place that just feels of good memories. It's those small touches that just makes a world of a difference, you know? Even the decor is really awesome. Okay, so let's go into number 6. Look how amazing it is. You have a full kitchen, an island. You have an amazing bedroom over here. I mean, look at the attention to detail. It's amazing. You have your own TV, and you have closet space, a great amount of closet space. You guys, this is remarkable. And we move on forward. We also have an amazing bathroom, and one of my favorite things, a shower head that's really tall and high. Like, that is a huge thing for me. Oh, look at that. There's just class in everything. Like, this is just so nice. You also have a balcony on room number 7. Finally, great lounge. Oh, the AC feels so good in here. Now, something even more amazing is the fact that you can actually get conjoined rooms. So if you have a big event or a big family, there's more. So even though 7 is across the way, they also are conjoined by this wall right here. So this is when I was even more wowed just by what they've done here. And here's the number 7. Now, number 7 is really incredible because you also get the benefit of having this room right over here. If you have 4 kids, 4 bunk beds, or, you know, if you're older, that's fine too. But I feel like there's just so much detail and time taken into making this place look so nice. So like the other area, you also get a full kitchen, an amazing fridge, an awesome island, place that you guys can be able to eat at. So they come with you also get a couple plates and stuff so that you don't have to worry about that. Nice comfy sofa. Another bedroom. You guys, honestly, it's incredible to see somebody take so much time and energy to put something together like this. It looks great. Whoever decorated this, kudos to them because they just did such a great job.